We are looking at a Star Suite
on board the brand new Star Seeker. And hey guys, I'm Mike. Welcome to Affluent Journeys. That's my website, affluentjourneys.com. Let's have a look at the closets on board. That's what everybody wants to see. So plenty of closet space with multiple types of hangers, some hidden space up here. Everybody, of course, gets hair dryers. They'll have laundry service on board and a safe here and no drawers underneath. Of course, everyone will get the nice bathrobes with slippers and umbrella for use as well. And we'll have a couple blankets out here in case it's cool outside. We'll have a separated head here. And notice the step over height here. It's about 6 inches or so for both the main bathroom and the head. Interesting feature on the Star Seeker, they have these vinyl leather look doors, so it's kind of soft. Beautiful tile on the floor in the bathroom. Marble countertops, L'Occitane Provence amenities. I like the nice dark wood inlays. Oh look, and we'll have a nice soaking tub here, and then a walk-in shower with a rainfall head and removable head. And we'll have the shower wall here on the back side with a seated bench as well. This is one of the larger accommodations on board. Of course, they will put the life jackets in here. Private speaker system. Every unit has its own Wi-Fi router, and yes, Starlink is active on board. And look at this, welcome Veuve Clicquot champagne if you're in the big suites. We'll have a sofa here, beautiful welcome bouquet. And then Windstar will have the latest Samsung flat screen TVs with full infotainment system, satellite, movies, live TV, etc. Of course, you'll get a welcome bottle of Cabernet Sauvignon, the Illy espresso maker, complement of magazines, and then of course the full schedules and everything that's going on board the ship. Then we'll have a look in the master bedroom. There is a small lip here as well, maybe 3/4 of an inch into the master bedroom. Looks like a queen that may separate into 2 twins. It doesn't look like a full king to me. We'll have the European plugs here, so you will need adapters. We'll have the USB-C and standard USB ports. No more single-use plastics on board. They use the refillable water system. They'll have reading lights here, LED lights over the headboard. Then of course another TV here. Get some more amenities. You do pay for the teddy bear if you want to take it home. And binoculars for use on board the ship as well. All right, let's have a look out on the veranda. If I can ever open the door, you can access the veranda from the bedroom or from the living room. And there is a step over of about 6 inches and then 12 inches across and 6 inches down. We have lounge chairs here with the lounge table, and your butler, of course, can bring you breakfast out here each morning on deck. And this is the inaugural sailing of the Star Seeker. We're here in Port Miami. I hope you enjoyed seeing the big suite here on board the Star Seeker. If you haven't already, please make sure to hit like on the video, put your comments down below, and subscribe here to Affluent Journeys. That helps me a lot. Also, hit the share button and send it to your friends if you think they would like to see it. Now, I am a luxury cruise agent. I do represent Windstar for US and Canadian customers only. If you're seriously interested in booking a cruise here on Windstar, I'd love to hear from you about it. Most of the time, I can throw in something extra on top of everything that Windstar is offering. Even if you've already booked that cruise directly with Windstar, I might still be able to throw something in, and I'll be glad to do it. So serious inquiries, you may contact me today at the phone number down below, or submit an inquiry on the website, affluentjourneys.com. When you book with Affluent Journeys, you deal directly with me, not somebody who's never been on the ships, right? So make sure to check out the full ship tour that I'll have and all my other videos on the world's best cruise ships. So that's it for now. Thanks again for watching, and please stay tuned for the next one.